Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well with you, and let's continue our journey with Project Management Proficiency test. Okay, in this video we are going to cover the reporting section. Let me find it here. Okay, here. Let's review what is it saying here. Design reports that you can see the cost and total work of each city separately. Oh, okay. So here basically it is asking to see the cost and total work of each city separately. So you want to know how much is the cost of city Isfahan, Shiraz, London, Dubai separately. Okay, let me go here. For your information, you can, because the information is available, field cost is here, total cost, and work also is here available for all. See, this is 55 million, this is 1300 hours, 382 hours. So this information available. What we need to do is to break down this information based on the cities. You can export in Excel. You can and use Excel to create such a report. But here, what I want to do is I want to use the Microsoft Project View to create this report. So you can also learn. You can also see how you can use the existing features of Microsoft to create this. You can also use the report tab, but I don't want to use that for this report. I think for visual, I really like the visual report part. Honestly, I really like the visual part. You can create a report that you automatically export to the Excel. For example, pivot table. You can also use that one, but here, for the purpose of this solution video, I want to create a view. I want to create a view inside of the Microsoft project, so you can also see how you can create a view in Microsoft project. Okay, so to have such a report, okay, I want to create a new table. As you know, these are all the tables inside of the Microsoft project, but I don't want to use them. I want to create new one. For new one, I put the name, for example, report 1. The field require here, ID, of course, indicator, yes, task name. There is no task name, there is name, remember. The task name that you see here on Gantt chart is basically the field. Actual field name is name, and the title of that field is task name. Okay, then do I need the location? No, but maybe responsibility. Responsible was text number. Do you remember? Project text number 1, but I'm not sure if I imported here. Let me check. Text number 1 is responsible. Let me rename it here. Responsible. Okay. Now moving back to tables, report 1. Yes, responsible. And what do I need? Cost, else, work. These fields, I need these fields. Okay, left, center, header wrapping, text wrapping. Maybe yes. No, I can leave it default. Auto adjust header right. Okay. No, I don't want this. Okay, let me run this. Okay, should be okay. this is a new table that I create for this report. So now you can also you can also see how you can create a table. It's not here because because of this tick box showing menu. Okay. Now I have the table. What else I need to do is to, because the report say the each city separately. Okay, each city separately. So location. I need to create a group. Now let me create a group. New group. Okay, and this group, let me put it report 1, and I wanted to group the task based on responsible. No, location. Location was text number 2 maybe. Okay, and background color, maybe I like green. Yeah. Ascending. Okay. Show summary task. No, I don't want summary task. Or maybe, I don't know. Leave it as it is. Maintain hierarchy. No. Save. Let me apply and see how it works. Okay, so I don't have because I didn't specify the location for deliverables. Maybe I can just specify a location based on the location of the task that deliver the delivery, but because it's not, I didn't specify, so I don't see them. And also I didn't specify any work or any costs to them, so so in this case it is not affecting what I'm looking for. But if each summary task, because you can also assign resource, you can also assign cost to summary to deliverables, you can just specify the responsible for them, and then the calculation for each will be clear. So now let's see what we have in this group. Now by this applying this group, I can see that Dubai, Isfahan, London, Shiraz, and Tehran, each city, how much is the cost of for all project in this city? Dubai, this much. Isfahan, this much. London, this much. Cost and work. And okay, so you have this information separately based on the location and based on the location. Okay, we have 3 separate projects inside of a program, and all of them spread among these 5 cities. And now by just creating a simple group, I can see how much is the cost in each city and how many works it happened for each city. Okay, now it's nice. So let me, now the beautiful part, because what I did is I used a group, right? Let me move back to group, and I used the table. I am moving back to entry table, the default table that we were working on till now. Let me remove this one, okay, and then I don't need this one. Okay, now let me try something better. I'm going to view. I'm creating new view. A single view is fine, same as Gantt chart. I put the name report 1. The table is the table that I created. The group also is the one that I created, and I don't need filter here. No filter, or alt ask. No, I don't know. Showing menu, yes, and press OK. Now I have this one here. or let me maybe use a simpler name, not Gantt chart, organizer, view report 1, rename maybe R1. Okay, now anytime by pressing this, I think I don't need the responsible here as well. Why I don't need, let me remove this one as well from the report. Okay, now I have it. Text to location, let me custom field text 2, let me rename this one as well, because here I can see text 2, maybe it is not nice. Respond, no, location, sorry, location. Okay, location. Now it's better. Now it's better. Now I can see, like, if I want, I can open and see which task belongs to which task exactly is working, but I cannot see which project. If I want, I can include the project. I can include the project name, right? Okay. So this is the first report, so we're good. Now the cost, again another report, the cost and total work separately for the whole of Iran, for Iran, for Iran and outside of the Iran. So what I need, how we can group them, because now it is asking to provide based on the location, but we also need to know, we also need to break it based on whole cost and work inside of the Iran, whole cost and work outside of the Iran. So basically we need to group Dubai, London in a one group, Isfahan, Shiraz and Tehran in another group. How can I do this? So let me use another field basically, but let me keep this, or maybe I can improve this report and merge it with previous one. What you can do is to create new one, okay, or enhance the first one to support this case. Okay, let me go back. Let me go to the group. First I need to add a field. Let me go back to Gantt. Why I have it this one here. Report 1. I remember. I renamed. I didn't create new one. No. File. Info organizer. I cannot find. It's in global. Let me delete this one. Is used, cannot be copied or deleted. Okay, so this view is active. File or info organizer. I didn't copy, I just renamed the existing one. Okay, never mind. So let me go to Gantt chart. We have a field location. We need another field. Custom field text 3. No. Let's do something, because it's kind of a boolean. We want to know if a task is inside Iran or outside of Iran, right? So let me create a custom field. but now I'm using a flag, custom field flag. Rename it Iran, and okay, then now let me insert flag 1, right? Iran. All of them by default is no, but now what I want to do is let me insert the location as well. Location was text 2. Okay, if a task is inside of the Iran, then it should be yes. Okay, so how can I do it? Let's say you have many records. If I only consider this exam file, it's only, I don't know, maybe 30 tasks max. Then it doesn't matter if I'm doing that one by one. Okay, but if you have many tasks, then it's a little bit hard for you. So let me more filter. We used to create this one, right? Let me edit. Don't know. I want to pick a name. Let me pull it. I don't know. Test. Now I want to create a filter based on, or filter, or no, maybe I can use group. Yeah, I can use a group. I can use the existing group. I don't need to filter then. I can use the group. For example, Dubai, this value, yes, all of them outside of the, no, sorry, Dubai remain no. S1, yes, all of them, yes. London remain no. Shiraz, yes, all of them change to yes. Isfahan, yes. This one also should change yes, because it's yes, it's the risk task. Okay, so I think we're good. I don't need to give it to the summary, right? I guess. No, I'm not sure. Now let me remove this one. Now let's edit our report. Let me go here. One, no, not first I need to update the group. The group that I used in the report. More groups, report 1, edit. Okay, so initial group, the first layer was by location. Now I want to group it by Iran, the flag. So separate them, Iran and outside of the Iran. Then the second layer, I want to group the information based on the location, right? Now in this case I can merge two together. So maybe the first layer will be, I don't know which color is nice. Maybe I like green. Maybe this green, and this one maybe the blue. Yeah, should be fine. Okay. Now when I run because for this view I already mentioned that whenever I run this view, use that group. So now I'm running. Now I should be able to select that outline, hide all. Okay, Iran, no. So those location that are not Iran, and those mention Iran. Okay, but now I have a problem that this part I use flag, and flag is only accept yes and no, it's boolean. But now the deliverables also included in outside of the run, because they don't have any constant work, so it is not affecting my report. So my report is still valid. I just need to ignore this record, right? But if I want to make it better, I need to use, I don't know, a number, text, whatever, with that I can keep the null value for this, so they will be outside of this group, not inside of the group, E1 group. I think you get the idea. You can do it on your end. But now I have a report that separated those tasks that happen inside of the E1 and outside of the E1, and now I can see how much is the cost of task inside of the E1 and outside of the E1, and also compare the working hours of for them. And it's for all 3 projects. Okay, now move on. Let's go. Ooh, why one more thing. Why I created a view? Because I don't want to miss the default view that I'm working on. Each time, okay, now add this filter, add that group, change table, and then after finishing my work, remove them, return back. Now I have one report I created as a view. Now by one click I run whatever I want, and now I can see the information I need, export, take a screenshot, whatever, and then with one click return back and continue my work. Okay, that's the reason I love to use this method. I love this trick to create a view as a report. And also, more importantly, if I'm on this view, say, oh, better to check something, I can easily import the fields. I can double click, because it's a Microsoft project view. I can double click, check the information here, change them, update them. I can do whatever I want. Okay, that's why I really like to use view as a report inside of the Microsoft project. Okay, a third one, the cost and total work of Tehran and other cities, all of these cities together. The cost and total work of Tehran and other cities. So this one is similar, but I cannot use this report. It is saying the cost. Now it's not Iran and outside of the Iran. It's only Tehran and outside of the Tehran. So for these I need to use another flag. Well, now let's use another field, number maybe. But to do that, let me do it here, because I can see all the tasks from Tehran are here. I need to group. The more simpler is to use just a flag, and Tehran, just change the Tehran to yes. But let's use maybe number 10. Just rename it Tehran. Outside. This one is number. Oh, if I have number, then use maybe text is better, because for text I can use null. Well, never mind, doesn't matter. Tehran. For Tehran, let me put 1. The important point is you need a value that differentiate this. I can, if I need, I can use 2 for outside of the Iran, outside of the Tehran. But because these deliverables, let's use it. It's just just to show you different style of creating this differentiator. Okay, now let me create a new view. Okay, but for this new view I think I need a new group. So let me move back here, more group, report 2, and the reason I put dot at the beginning is to see them at the top of the page. It was text, number 1, number 10, black, no, the color maybe this one this time. Okay, now I want to create a new view. Right, more view, new, single, R2 gun chart, table should be same as report 1. I don't need another table. Group, now I need group 2, no filter require. Okay, I select the table. No. When creating a single pane view, you must select the table. Filter. All task, I forgot. Okay, R2. Now I'm clicking R2. Now the value 2 is for all tasks outside of the Tehran. The value 1 is for all tasks inside of the Tehran. You can do it with the flag. You can use a custom text, drop down, put the value. But important point is you need a field that differentiate the task that happen in Tehran and outside of the Tehran, so you can use it to create a view, to create a group by. Okay. So task inside of the Tehran, huge effort. Almost half of the effort of the all project is happening in Tehran. But from cost point of view, the cost of task outside of the Tehran is much higher. That's what we can see and interpret from this. Okay, so this is report 2. So far so good. Design a report that you can see only the details of deliverables. So this one is also easy. Let me move back here. So if I want to see only deliverables, I think you can use the custom field, or there is a field milestone in Microsoft Project. All your deliverables are milestone here, but you also have risk. Okay, so you cannot use this milestone field because the deliverables you have is one type of milestones you have. So better to include another task, maybe text 10, custom field text 10, deliverables, then maybe using lookup, why not? Yes, no, this is DV, this is not DV, blah blah description. And now but because these are belong to project, let me go to here, fields, project A. Deliverables text 10. Project B, deliverables text 10. Project C, deliverables. Okay, move back. Now it's deliverable, yes. It's deliverable, yes. This one is yes. 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 Yes and yes. Okay. Now I can remove this one. So now because it said only, now I need to create a new filter. Report only deliverables. It was text 10, right? Text 10 equal. I think I can open, yes, equal like this. Save. Now let me create a new view. New view, single. I put the name R3 Gantt chart. Table, you can use entry. Yeah, default table. The group, I don't need any group. The filter is this one, and I have report tree, so I can see the details for only deliverables in this screen. Okay, so move next. Design a report that shows the details of each responsible. Okay. Cost responsibility. For example, Mustafa is responsible for how much cost of the project value, and work responsibility. Okay, I think I could also merge the first report, but let me finish this one and move back. Let me finish this one and move back to design a report that shows the details of each responsible. Okay, now it is similar to what we have done on the location, but now it should be based on the location, based on the responsible. So I need a new group, and this time responsible was text. Okay, responsible. Let me change the color to maybe this one this time. The group name, report responsible. Okay, I don't want to use it here. I want to create a view. Show, so more view, new one, single, R4 table should be I think I need a new table because it here said project value, work value. Okay, so let's create new table. More table, new. Let me put it as a name, report 2. I need ID. I need indicator, I need name, which is task name, I need work, let's say cost, and value. Okay. Okay, let me run. We need a little bit. I think we're good. Now going to view, new one, R4, then table is report 2, group, I don't need group for this report, or I need report 2, and I don't need filter. Okay, now running the report 4. Report responsible. I had to select report responsible, my bad. Report responsible. Now it works. Okay, so be double checking. Yeah, Adam, Mary, Mustafa, and Sarah. Okay, now you can see how much they are responsible for, how much work, how much cost, and how much of the values in all projects. And if you want, you can also open and see which tasks they are responsible for. Okay, so I have this report, but now move back to previous one. I think I can merge report 1 and report 2, because now I can have another layer in, I can have location, and I can have Iran. Outside of the Iran was a flag, I don't recall. Yeah, flag. I can use the third one. So now when I run the report, it's Iran, outside of the Iran. No, maybe I need to, let me go back, more group, date, need the flag one here, location here. No, I messed up. Wait, now it's group. Now again Iran. No, what was the report 2? Report 2 was in Tehran, outside of Tehran. So the first layer should be Iran, outside of Tehran. The second layer should be Tehran, outside of Tehran. I think I can merge, but I'm not sure if I'm not sure it would be nice. Iran, I don't need this one. So Iran, then what was the Tehran, then location. Okay, now if I run the report 1, let me Iran, outside of the Iran, then it's separated. For even outside of the Iran, it created a category inside of Tehran, outside of the Tehran. If it's outside of the Iran, definitely cannot be in Tehran. Okay, but now I can see all three in same. So I can see the cost of Dubai, the cost of London. I can see the cost outside of the Iran. For Iran also I can see the cost in Tehran, the cost outside of the Tehran, and the cost for the Iran as a whole country. You can also use this one, or as I said, create new report like this. Whatever is convenient for you. But for this one, let me update this and remove this one. Okay, move it back to what it used to be, and keep them separately. But if you want, you can merge and you can do it in one report. Okay, so we're good, and we managed to cover the reports, and I think we are good to start for updating one of the most important part in Microsoft project. And let me save this. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Let me know, put a comment if you have a question, and I hope you enjoyed this video.